foundation stone laying ceremony. I take this opportunity to welcome each and everyone to this program. Without much delay, I request Sri Bridget sir to formally inaugurate this function by laying the foundation stone. Girls, all the girls and boys are requested to come forward. I welcome Srimati Lali Kesi, Vice Principal of the school, to deliver the welcome speech.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. Member of the Parliament, Captain Sri Brijesh Chowda, then other dignitaries, parents, teachers and dear students. It gives me immense pleasure to stand before you on this auspicious occasion of the foundation stone laying ceremony for the construction of 2 new classrooms in our institution. On behalf of the entire Navodaya family, I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to our Honorable Member of the Parliament, Captain Brijesh Chowda ji, whose generous contribution and continued support have made this noble initiative towards the cause of education and rural development is truly commendable. We are deeply grateful for your kind gesture in offering these classrooms, which will greatly benefit our students and strengthen. Let me welcome once again on behalf of Navodaya family. I also take this opportunity to warmly welcome Sri Santosh Kumar Rai, ex-chairman of Mysore Electrical Industry, whose gracious presence today adds grace and inspiration to this event. Sir, your encouragement and association with this project reflect your concern for quality education and community growth. Welcome you, sir. We are equally delighted to welcome Sri Jagadish Alva, a well-wisher of our Vidyalaya, for his constant encouragement and support towards the growth of our institution. Welcome you, sir. A warm welcome to our beloved principal, Sri Rajesh sir, whose dedicated leadership and vision continue to guide our school towards excellence. I welcome you, sir. I also extend my warm greetings to all staff members, parents and students gathered here to witness this memorable moment. Today's ceremony is not just about laying stones, it is about laying the foundation for the bright future of our students. Once again, I extend a heartfelt welcome to one and all present. Also, let me welcome the contractor of this going, Narayana Murthy. Let me welcome Sri Narayana Murthy also for this program. Once again. Shetty Ulibetu also for this. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Now it's time to hear from the president of today's program. I request Sri P. Rajesh, Principal of Vidyalaya, to deliver the presidential address.
Honorable Member of Parliament, Sri Brijesh sir, for the last 3-4 years, there was a huge demand for one more section of science stream, especially when in all over the country, this is only Dakshin Kannada district. Out of 40 students, 5 students got IIT and 15 students NIT and 2 regular MBBS. First in the history of the country, such a wonderful result has been made by my students and teachers. The huge demand has come from the public to start one more section. This has been brought to the notice of the Honorable Member of Parliament. He has requested me to find out the ways so that the students will get benefit to start a new section. I have taken up this work to the headquarter level, Hyderabad, and the Government of India has ready to sanction a new class for 40 students, especially for science. Actually, we thought of starting to the next year because we don't have the infrastructure facilities. But the Honorable Member of Parliament has given an assurance that you admit the children, remaining things I will take care. And on his assurance, I have given admission to the 40 students. Sir, the very bright students of only JNV Dakshin Kannada, they have already taken admission. And keeping his promise, he may not be a practical politician, but he's a visionary leader. As a captain of the country, he has told, I will start the 2 classroom, and that is materialized today, that the foundation stone is being laid today. I hope that within 2-3 months, the classes will be, we could start class in the new building. Sir, on behalf of all my students and parents, I am thankful to you. And this is for the course of education, especially every year, now hereafter, 40 students, science graduates will come out of from this institution because of your hard work and your vision. As a principal, I thank you, and I request you to just bless our students and teachers, and especially during the parents during this occasion. Thank you, sir.
Captain Brijesh Chauta, sir, I request you to address the gathering, sir.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಬಿಸಿಲು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾತನಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಲ ನಾನು ಹಿಂದೆನೂ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಒಂದು ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಬಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ಜವಾಹರ್ ನವೋದಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ, ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಮುಡಿಪಿನ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ PM ಶ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಘೋಷಣೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಉತ್ತಮ ರಿಸಲ್ಟನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೂರಕವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು 40 ಹೊಸ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಯುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಅವರ ವಿಶೇಷ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನದಿಂದ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಮೂಲಭೂತ ಸೌಕರ್ಯ ಏನಿದೆ, 2 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಜೋಡಿಸಿಕೊಡುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು, ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಂಸದರ ಅನುದಾನದಿಂದ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು CSR ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಜೋಡಿಸಿ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮನ್ನು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಶೀಘ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಸೇರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ತುಳಸಿ ಹಬ್ಬ, ನೀವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಆದರೂ ತುಳಸಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್.
It is my honor to propose vote of thanks today. Parliament team and delivered a speech about India in the UN General Assembly session. It was held from October 8 to 14. So congratulations, sir. During last visit, General Body meeting of PTA assured about 2 classrooms, and now it is materialized. So on behalf of entire JNB Dakshin Kannada family, I extend sincere gratitude to our Captain Brijesh Chauta, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks to Principal sir, who is the backbone of present in this campus, well-wishers of this locality, parents, students, staff members. So once again, I thank all of you.